Hey, it's me. Have you ever considered how the food you eat might affect your mental health? Recent studies have uncovered surprising connections between what we consume and our brain's well-being. Today, we'll be discussing the latest findings on how certain nutrients can enhance our mood, memory, and overall brain function. We'll also explore how a balanced diet can support positive mental health and provide tips on creating brain-boosting meal plans. So, grab a snack and join us as we dive into the fascinating relationship between the food we eat and the health of our minds. Did you know that there's a direct connection between your gut and your brain? It's called the gut-brain connection, and it involves a two-way communication pathway between your digestive system and your brain. Your gut contains a large number of neurons, and it can send signals to your brain through this connection. These signals can influence various aspects of your mental health, including your mood, cognition, and stress levels. Your small intestine is lined with millions of neurons that form the enteric nervous system, often referred to as the second brain. This network of neurons communicates with your central nervous system via the vagus nerve, which is the longest cranial nerve in your body. The primary function of the vagus nerve is to transmit sensory information from your organs, including your gut, to your brain. When you eat, stretch receptors in your gut send signals to your brain about the type, texture, and amount of food you've consumed. This information helps regulate how much you eat and when you feel full. Additionally, the vagus nerve relays signals from your brain to your digestive system, influencing processes like digestion and metabolism. This bidirectional communication between your gut and brain allows them to work together to keep your body functioning properly. Several factors can disrupt the gut-brain connection, leading to potential issues with your digestive system or mental health. These factors include high stress, poor diet, and certain medical conditions. High stress levels can trigger hormonal changes that affect the gut microbiome and impair the function of the gut barrier, leading to increased inflammation and leaky gut syndrome. A poor diet lacking in fiber or containing excessive amounts of processed foods and sugar can also disrupt the gut microbiome and lead to inflammation. Certain medical conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and Parkinson's disease can directly impact the gut-brain connection by affecting nerve function or altering the composition of the gut microbiome. Research suggests that restoring a healthy gut-brain connection may help alleviate symptoms of mental health disorders and improve overall well-being. Strategies to achieve this include managing stress through mindfulness or exercise, consuming a balanced diet rich in fiber and avoiding processed foods, and addressing underlying medical conditions. Now, let's move on to some of the key nutrients found in foods that can positively influence your brain health and cognitive function. Number 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for brain health and can be found in abundance in salmon. These fats support optimal neuron function and can aid in the treatment of mood disorders like depression. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that increasing omega-3 intake through supplements led to an improvement in depressive symptoms in some cases. To incorporate more omega-3s into your diet, consider adding salmon to your meals at least twice a week. You can enjoy it grilled, baked, or pan-seared and seasoned with herbs and spices. If you're not a fan of fish, you can also get omega-3s from walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Number 2. B vitamins. These vitamins play a vital role in brain function and are linked to improved cognitive performance and reduced risk of dementia. Among the B vitamins, B6, B9, and B12 are particularly important for brain health. Foods rich in B vitamins include chicken, whole grains, legumes, and leafy green vegetables. For example, a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that a higher intake of B6 was associated with better cognitive performance in older adults. To ensure you get enough B vitamins, aim to include a variety of these foods in your daily diet. For instance, you could start your day with whole grain toast topped with avocado and a poached egg, then enjoy a salad with grilled chicken and legumes for lunch. Number 3. Vitamin D. This vitamin is crucial for brain health and is linked to improved mood and reduced risk of depression. Our bodies produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, but it's essential to consume it through our diet as well. Good sources of vitamin D include fatty fish like salmon and sardines, as well as fortified foods such as milk and yogurt. Studies have shown that maintaining adequate vitamin D levels can significantly impact our brain health. For example, a meta-analysis published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that vitamin D supplementation was effective in reducing depressive symptoms in some cases. Incorporating foods rich in vitamin D into your diet can help ensure that you maintain optimal levels of this essential nutrient. However, it's important to note that the amount of vitamin D in food can vary widely, so supplementation may be necessary in some cases. Number 4. Magnesium. This mineral is involved in numerous brain functions, including the regulation of neurotransmitters and the maintenance of optimal nerve function. Studies have shown that magnesium-rich diets can improve sleep quality, reduce stress, and enhance overall brain function. Some excellent sources of magnesium include spinach, almonds, cashews, and whole wheat. For example, a study published in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences found that magnesium supplementation improved cognitive performance and reduced anxiety in individuals with mild to moderate anxiety disorder. By incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your meals, you can support your brain health and improve your overall well-being. Number 5. Zinc. This mineral plays a critical role in brain development and function. It aids in the synthesis of neurotransmitters and supports optimal nerve function. Zinc is also involved in the regulation of inflammation in the brain, which can impact mood and cognition. Foods high in zinc include oysters, beef, poultry, nuts, and beans. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that low levels of zinc were associated with increased rates of depression and anxiety. By consuming a balanced diet that includes a variety of zinc-rich foods, you can support your brain health and reduce the risk of mental health disorders. Now that you know about the connection between the food you eat and your brain health, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Here are some tips for creating a brain-boosting meal plan. 1. Prioritize whole foods. Focus on incorporating a variety of whole, unprocessed foods into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential nutrients that support brain function and overall well-being. 2. Be mindful of portion sizes. Pay attention to the portion sizes of the foods you consume. Overeating or undereating can both have negative effects on your brain and body. Aim for a balance of protein, carbs, and fats in each meal to keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your brain functioning optimally. Dehydration can negatively impact concentration, mood, and overall cognitive performance. 4. Limit processed foods and sugary drinks. Minimize the consumption of processed foods and sugary drinks, as they can contribute to inflammation and impair brain function. Instead, opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. 5. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to low blood sugar levels, which can negatively impact your brain function and overall energy levels. Aim to eat regular, balanced meals throughout the day to keep your brain fueled. 6. Consider meal prepping. Meal prepping can help ensure that you always have healthy, brain-boosting meals ready to go. Set aside time each week to prepare a variety of nutritious meals that you can easily reheat and enjoy during busy days. 7. Consult a professional. If you have specific dietary needs or concerns, don't hesitate to consult a registered dietitian or nutritionist. They can help you create a personalized meal plan that meets your individual needs and supports optimal brain health. Remember, making gradual changes to your diet can have significant impacts on your brain health and overall well-being. Start by incorporating more brain-boosting foods into your meals and reducing your intake of processed foods and sugary drinks. As you begin to see the benefits of these changes, you'll be motivated to continue making healthy choices that support a strong, resilient brain. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more informative content. Share this video with your friends and family so they can benefit from this knowledge too. And don't forget to stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and take care.